Hello there. Today I will demonstrate you how to create cheat codes for your game. So you simply can trigger this event. I just set an NPC here, and if you talk to him you can input something like potions and hit OK. And afterwards you see you get 99 potions. And also you can do other stuff like give you a big amount of money or whatever you like to happen in this case. So to demonstrate this, I delete this guy. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a character. So we don't need to add them to a party or anything. He don't need to have a face or anything. I just call him cheat character, and he just needs to stay there because we will use the name input to check if a cheat is valid or not. And so we just need to create this cheat character. And afterwards we create, I take this guy. So if you talk to this guy, it's a cheater. So if you talk to this guy, then you can actually activate cheats, but you could also use this in common events and call it whenever you like. So, and I think this is what we gonna do now. I think it's better to do it like that. So create a common event, ignore that. It's just some old stuff. So we call this cheetah common event, and it gets triggered by call. So we can use it everywhere. And the first thing we need to do is we change the name of the cheat character to nothing. So if you get the name input window, then there is nothing in there. It makes it a lot easier to type, because you don't need to create or delete all of those characters before you can type in a cheat. And after that you can simply go to name input processing, set the characters to 16 if you like, choose the cheat character, hit OK, and afterwards you simply need to create a conditional branch. And here we have the option under page 2 and actor. Here you can choose a name or check for a name, and we choose our cheat character which we created, and here we check if it has a certain name. So if it has the name potion, so this is your cheat code. So you can also do something like this, and if the user input is this, then the cheat will get activated. So we simply use potions. We create an else branch if the cheat is wrong. So this is the case. We change the character to nothing. Here we do the name input processing and ask for a name to give, or for a cheat to input. And afterwards we check if the input is potions, and if it's potions, then we change the items, choose potion, and give our player 99 potions. And you can also copy that. If you want to use another cheat, then you copy that and paste it here under the else case and edit it. And now you can input another cheat that you like. So if you type in gold, you don't want to get the potion, so get rid of it and change your gold to the maximum gold. And so you can add the message here. So you can say potion cheat enabled. Let's just call it like that. And of course you can do here the gold cheat enabled. And under the else case, so if it's not this cheat or that cheat, here you can either copy this and paste it here to do another cheat code, but we just have those two, so we can say here wrong cheat code. So if it's not this cheat code or not that cheat code, so if it's something else, then it's not a cheat code, so you get nothing. And now we simply need to call the cheat code from this guy here. If we talk to him, then we can choose the common event and use our cheater common event. And now wherever you want to enable cheat, so if you want to call this cheat menu, you simply need to call this common event. And now we should be good to go. Let's see if it works. So we can talk to this guy. You see the name is blank. Now we can type in potions, and now we see potion cheat enabled, and we see we got the potions. Now you see here we got 0 gold. So if we type in gold now and hit OK, you see the gold cheat was enabled and we got a huge amount of gold. And in this style you can basically do anything in this cheat code section, so you can think of stuff that you want to give your players if they input a certain cheat. Yeah, have fun with it. See ya.